Today I'm going to show you how to change the screensaver on your computer. All right, so I'm just on the desktop right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to get to system preferences, and so I get there by going through the launchpad. All right, I'm going to click the launchpad, and once I get in here, I find the system preferences icon. I click on that, and then once in here, I'm going to scroll up to the desktop and screensaver right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and it brings me to this page right here. Perfecto. All right, I'm going to go to screensaver right here. I click on that icon just like that, and it gives me a lot of different options right here. So this is the current screensaver that I have right here. ASMR. You have that right there. Okay, click out of that. And now to change this, okay, I can actually change the wording. It doesn't have to say ASMR. I can actually change the message by clicking screensaver options. All right, you see that? And then I can click it in there and just put in. All right, just click that in like that. And now it says RMSA. All right, you can change it like that, or you can go to different screensavers like this, loading the classic. Pretty cool, pretty nice. Take a look at that. Classic, it's loading the photo. Look at it, pretty nice screensaver. Okay, you can add a lot of different options. You can actually add pictures as well too. There's a lot of different options you can choose from. But that's how you change your screensaver. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.